Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your software update in the Macbook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings, and if you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that. Or if you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the Apple logo or the Apple icon, and then simply you need to click on the system preferences. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, all the settings will be open like this. So now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the software and update. And after clicking on the software and update, it will take few seconds or few minutes in loading and showing you the new updates of the software. So you have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, now it's loaded. If you want to check out the software details, as you can see here are the software details. This is the software name, and this is the software version, and this is the software site. If you want to check out the more info, then you have to click on the more info, and you will be able to see some other details related to your update. As you can see, has an option for the automatically keep my Mac up to date. And if you want to do this, you want that your software should be updated automatically, then you have to click on this. Or if you want to check out the advanced things, you can also do that. And simply if you want to update your software now, then you have to click on the upgrade now, and your software will be updated. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check your software update on Macbook. So see you guys in the next video.